Hello, welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's make some Creole low carb chicken in the air fryer. Season the chicken, the egg wash, and the smashed up pork rinds that I'm using as breadcrumbs or breading. So I seasoned it in all, mixed it well, you can see. Then it's easy. Wet, dry, air fryer. Repeat, wet, dry, air fryer. Do it a few times and you're done. So that's about it. I put on the bottom burner and the top burner and ran it for about 30 minutes until I reached an internal of 170 or a little bit above. Okay, so I took enough cabbage for me and Helena and I chopped it up into pieces just like this. Then I took a handful of button mushrooms that I wanted to have in there. Put them in a little bit of butter. I had about 3 tablespoons of butter in there, maybe 4. Keto is keto. So I seasoned the mushrooms and the cabbage with garlic salt. I think that's enough after the Creole seasoning. And then I fried this for about 20 minutes on medium low just to get it done. And this is what it looked like when it's time to serve it. I flipped them once halfway through. Anyway, a little bit of salad on the bottom. This is mixed lettuce leaves, some cabbage on top of that, and then the chicken to finish it off. Time for a taste test. There we go, some low carb chicken in the air fryer with butter, cabbage and lettuce. Oh, that turned out really nice. Tony Sacherys on there, so really good. And cabbage, well, it just melted in the mouth. Thank you for watching. Bye.